This is why Japanese women never get fat and live the longest. Their secret is simply amazing. For the past 25 years, Japanese women have held the record for longest living women worldwide. Namely, the average lifespan of these women is 84. Despite living longer than all other women in the world, Japanese women seem to look the youngest, and somehow succeed to resist to the natural process of aging. The book Japanese Women Don't Get Old or Fat, by the Japanese writer, Naomi Moriyama, reveals the secrets of the Japanese kitchen and remedies to remain young-looking and healthy. She claims that the traditional Japanese cuisine uses foods that prevent aging, health issues, and weight gain. The daily consumption of these foods, such as fruits, rice, fish, seaweed, vegetables, green tea, and soy, leads to weight management and aging prevention. Japanese people regularly consume home-cooked meals, which include soup, fruits, grilled fish, a bowl of rice, cooked vegetables, and green tea. They really enjoy fish, and actually, consume about 10% of all fish consumed around the world, and they account for only 2% of the world population. Moriyama also claims that Japanese children learn the rules of a healthy diet since very young. They appreciate the food and eat slowly. Also, each food is separately served, and people are not allowed to eat huge portions or to fill up their bowls. This cuisine is quite simple, and meals are slowly prepared, usually steamed or grilled. All meals have rice as a side meal, as a bread replacement, and this is one of the biggest differences between their and our eating habits. Japanese believe that breakfast is the essential daily meal, and it consists of numerous foods and drinks, like fish, omelette, soup, tofu, seaweed, steamed rice, young garlic, and green tea. They avoid sugary foods, and if served, have a small portion. Women are aware of the negative effects of the intake of sweet foods like cakes, ice cream, and chocolate on the overall health, so they rarely eat them. The conclusion of the author at the end of the book explains the importance of physical activity as well. Exercise is a part of the daily routine in Japan, and in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle, they built an entire culture of biking, walking and hiking.